Strong layouts feel effortless because every element has a clear purpose and position. Today, how to design professional content frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by applying a soft off-white background to maintain a clean and polished look. Insert a large portrait frame in the center and upload your primary image. Double-click the image and adjust the crop to emphasize the subject. Add 2 smaller rectangular frames underneath to support the main visual and create hierarchy. Select the main frame and apply a soft shadow effect with reduced intensity for subtle depth. Add a thin border around the supporting frames and lower its transparency slightly.